Yo, 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 what's good, family? What's good? You are tuned into another episode of Beyond Check to Check, family. I'm your host, King Arthur, and I'm in the building. What's good with it, fam? So check this out. We still at it, man. We're not going nowhere. This is all year, all 52 weeks, family. We are in week 13 of the 52-week savings challenge. All right, week 13. At this point, we should have $91 inside of our savings account, fam. $91. This is money that we're not touching. This is money that we're not even thinking about. We're going to set it and forget it, family. You know what I'm saying? We laying the foundation. We building the discipline. This is what we're doing, family. It's a slow grind. I get it. You know, a lot of people out there, they preach, fast money and not like in an illegal way or nothing, but people say get the money fast, don't get it slow, and that's cool. I ain't got nothing against that. I'm actually with that. I want to get money at a fast pace, but a lot of people, including myself, we've built up so many bad habits over the years that some of us have to just reset, and there's nothing wrong with that as well. So that's what this is. This is a beginner friendly challenge, family. We just laying the foundation. That's all we doing. So lock in with me, family, and we're gonna keep this thing rolling. Man, I heard a good quote one time. I heard somebody say, "What's the difference between uh rich people and poor people?" Okay. A rich person walking through the neighborhood and they see a penny on the ground, they're gonna pick that penny up. A poor person is gonna see that same penny on the ground and keep moving. Oh, I don't need that penny. You keep that penny. So take that for what it's worth, family. I found that very, very impactful at the time that I heard it, and it makes a lot of sense. How many times have you went to the store and the change was like 2 or 3 cents? And you was like, go ahead and keep it. That's the difference between a rich person and a poor person. That's the difference between mentalities. And that's what this week's message is about. It's just mindset, family. It's all about mindset. Uh, Mindset is a person's attitude, beliefs, or way of thinking about something. It can also refer to a particular state of mind or mental attitude that determines how a person perceives and responds to a situation. I'm going to read that again. A mindset is a person's attitude, beliefs, or way of thinking about something. It can also refer to a particular state of mind or a mental attitude that determines how a person perceives and responds to a situation. So, it's all about mindset. It's all about perspective, family. Um, it's time. It's time, y'all. We got to get up out of this rat race. We got to get focused. We got to lock in on something. We all, you know, love money. We all want money. We all need money. That's the society that we're in. You need it to survive. So why not build up those good habits and build up that discipline to make sure you keep it? You know what I'm saying? Everybody's not going to be billionaires or multimillionaires, but we can at least be financially secure enough to, not have to worry about every little thing that goes wrong. We should have some emergency funds on deck and be able to live a nice, comfortable life. We need to be able to buy our time back. We need to be able to go to work if we choose to go to work, not because we have to go to work. So mindset, 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 family. That's the key to everything. Once again, week 13 of the 52-week savings challenge. You should have $91 inside of your account, family. So let's stay locked in. Let's get her done, family. I'm going to leave y'all with a message from the good brother Myron Goldman. And that's how we're going to go out today, family. I love y'all. Peace.
You understand what I'm about to show you. For the rest of your life, everything will cost the same amount. Did y'all hear what I just said? For the rest of your life, your car will cost the same amount as your house. Your house will cost the same amount as a bottle of water, which will cost the same amount as a pack of gum, which will cost the same amount as a first-class vacation. Everything will cost the same amount. Why? Because to rich people, everything costs the same amount. My cars, doesn't matter, Mercedes, Rolls Royce, whatever, cost the same amount as this bottle of water or this pack of Tic Tacs. All cost the same amount. Flying on a private jet from here to wherever I want to go, or drinking a bottle of water, pack of Tic Tacs, all cost me the same amount. Why? Because as a rich person, we pay for things. Write this down exactly as I said it. Do not translate it into your language, okay? Rich people, we pay for things according to our creativity. I'm going to say that again. We pay for things according to our creativity. Notice I did not say we pay for things with our creativity. I didn't say we pay for things from our creativity. I didn't say we pay for things out of our creativity. Why? Because if I had said any one of those things, we would have less creativity after we paid for it than we had before we paid for it. So, if you're poor, buying things makes you poorer. If you're middle class, buying things makes you poorer. When you are rich, buying things, like literally buying things you just want to use, buying a new set of golf clubs, buying a new car, buying an island, buying a mountain, buying a plane, actually makes you richer. I'm going to prove that to you in a minute. How many of y'all like the sound of that, but it sounds a little confusing? Right? Okay, I'm going to prove it to you in a minute. Okay, so here's what we do as rich people. We pay for things according to our creativity. When I want to buy something, like I already told you, I don't want to take some of my money that's over there having babies. I don't want to take it out of the money maternity ward and go spend it on something. Right? So what I do, I leave it in the money maternity ward. So I want to go buy a new car. What do I do? I'll create an offer. And I'll pay for the new thing that I want to buy with an offer that I create. So for instance, I created this offer in 2006. See this offer right here? It's called From the Trash Man to the Cash Man, How Anyone Can Get Rich Starting From Anywhere. I created this offer in 2006. Now, I created this offer according to my creativity. But once I created it, it was done. Now all we have to do is let people know we have it, and then people come and buy this book from me every single day. We don't sell a ton of them. We only make about $7,000 or $8,000 a month from this book. How many times did I write the book, y'all? How many times did I write the book? One time. How often do you get paid for it? Every day. Why? Because I created the offer. This is an offer. I created it, wrote the book, told people this is what it'll do for you if you buy it. That's the offer. If you give me some money, I'll give you this book, and this book will help you never be broke again, because it'll teach you financial literacy, Myron style. Okay, cool. This book right here, I wrote this book in 2021. How long ago was that, y'all? 2 years ago I wrote this book. This book makes me between $30,000 and $40,000 a month. This book, paperback book, 172 pages, makes me between $30,000 and $40,000 a month. Why? Because this is an offer that I created that pays for whatever I wanted to pay for.